Have a nice day, students. In this class, we are going to discuss about inserting image in Liberoffice Writer software. We have one page containing some of the paragraphs, and in this area, we are going to insert the image. First of all, you should bring your cursor to the proper position which you want to insert the image. Then we need to go through insert image. This is the option. Insert. From the insert menu, you should take this image option. Then you have to navigate to the image which you want to insert. Suppose here I want to insert children.png. Then click open. Now I inserted the image, but this image is too large to accommodate the proper position in a proper alignment. You can decrease the size of the image. For that, you can move your mouse pointer to any one of the corner, then click and drag like this. You can see the image is shrinking, and then you can move your image to any of the position which you like. Okay. Now we inserted the image. Next, we are going to study one more topic in the same video, that is page formatting. To format the page, you do not need to select anything. You can simply go to format menu, then you can see one option named as page. Take this one. Then you will get a window. In this window, you can see different options: organizer, page, area, transparency. There are different options. And if you want to set the borders for your page, you can do that. You can take this borders tab. And here, just like the border of the paragraph or the table, you should select these options. This is for no borders, this is for 4-side border, this is the border for left and right, and this is the border for top and bottom, and this is the border for left side only, just like the margin. Here I would like to draw 4-side border, so I am choosing the second option. And also you can use a different line style. I am using the continuous line. There are another line option, dotted line, dashed line, double line. There are different line options, but I am suggesting you to select continuous line. Then in the width area, which means the line width, I am changing it to 1.5 pt. Then also you can change the color of the border line. By default it will be black. You can change it to any other color. You can select the color from this color palette. So I am changing the color to green. Then click OK. Yes, we drew the border line for our page. This is not only the topic we are going to study in this video. We are also studying how to change the background color of the page. To change the background color of the page, you need to go through format menu. So same option, page. And here we studied about borders. Now we are going to study the area. Area, you should select the area tab to change the background color of your page. There are different options. Color, you can change the color, and you can change the gradient options, and also you can insert the bitmap image into your page as a background. And if you don't like these bitmap images, you can import the JPG image or PNG image from your local hard drive. But here this is the option to import the PNG image or JPG image to insert. There is a pattern. There are immense options to set as a background in Liberoffice Writer, and hatched lines. And here I would like to change the color. So, you can select this one, and I am selecting this color. Light color is better, otherwise you cannot see the letters which you type. So, I am choosing this color, then click OK. Now, we changed the background color of the page. Then next we are going to give a space. Now, you can see the letters are touching the left and right side of the border line. It is not good when we view our page. It is better to give a space in between the border line and the starting and end point of the character. So, to give a space in between them, we need to go through the same option, format page. Here in the border tab, you can see left, right, top, bottom option. By default, it will be 0.05 centimeter, but I think it is better to change left and right only. You do not need to give the space, padding space on the top and bottom. I am giving it to left and right as 0.5 centimeter, and top and bottom is not necessary. Then clicking OK. Now, you can see the change. We got the space in between the letters and the border line in the left side and right side. Now, we see it is good, but you should understand one thing: when you apply the page style or page formatting in your page, it will affect all the pages in your file. Okay. So, this is the another option, page formatting, and we are going to study the next option. We are going to adjust the margin of the page. Now, we have the margin in the left side and right side and top and bottom, we have the margin, but if we want to adjust the margin width, we can do that. So, we need to go through format menu, then page. Instead of border, we need to select the page area, page tab, sorry, page tab. Here you can see different options, but everything is not relevant in your syllabus. But here, first of all, you should understand the format. By default, it will be A4. A4 means it is a predefined dimension of the page. There is a universally accepted page sizes, that is A4, A3, B6, B5, B4, like that, letter, legal. There are different variety of predefined page sizes. By default, it will be A4, the normal letter format, letter size. Then we can adjust. If we want to adjust the height and width of the page, you can do that. Then it will change to user automatically. But here I prefer A4. The next we need to study the portrait, the page orientation, portrait and landscape. I think it is not relevant to explain the portrait and landscape orientation here, because we studied it before. And next, this is the margin. Here by default in the left side, right side, top and bottom will left the 2 centimeter. But if you want to change, you can do that. suppose I am going to change the left margin as 3 centimeter. Then you can see the change when you click apply on this button. Do you see that the left margin has changed? Now it is 3, but 2 is relevant, 2 is better. You do not need to increase the margin to some extent. Okay. I am sorry, page size, yes, 2. Okay. So, with this topic we are going to finish this video. I hope all of you enjoy the video. Thank you.